Welcome back to the channel, Crazy Creative Kitchen. What I'm gonna make for you today is I'm gonna make a stuffed chicken. So I'm gonna stuff my chicken with vegetables, since everyone's trying to eat healthy, and I haven't done any real healthy thing in a while, so I figure I'll just make myself a stuffed whole chicken. So what I'm gonna stuff my chicken is, I'm gonna stuff my chicken with some steamed cabbage. You can stuff your chicken with kale, you can stuff your chicken with whatever you want to be on the inside. Today I'm gonna stuff my chicken with some steamed cabbage. So what I do is I put a little extra virgin olive oil and a little unsalted butter in my pan. Then I put all my seasoning all at once in my pan. And if you ever cook cabbage, you know you don't need any liquid because cabbage produce moisture. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just saute my cabbage, bring it to like a medium cook. Then I'm gonna remove it from the flame and I'm gonna stuff my bird. Then after I stuff my bird with my cabbage, I'm gonna sew it up with some meat cord, cook it in the oven at 325 for 50 minutes, and then after I cook it at 325, once it starts crisping up, I'm gonna baste it with the juice. I'm gonna turn my oven up to like say 350, and then I'm gonna just finish my chicken for the next 10 minutes. So what we're doing now is I'm just surging up my chicken. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close it up. I'm gonna make little holes, take my meat cord and close up my chicken so my vegetables don't fall out. And so all I did was I seasoned my chicken with my usual dry rub, and then I cooked my cabbage, some carrots, some onions, some green peppers, little salt and pepper, because what's gonna happen is the cabbage is gonna get all that flavor and all that juice from the chicken, so you don't have to worry about seasoning your cabbage or your inside of your stuffing. And you could put cranberries, you could put other stuff in there. Me personally today I just choose to put some cabbage. So after I sewed up my chicken, I'm gonna put it in my oven, and then I'm gonna bake it, and then stick around for the finished product. Smash that like button, drop me a comment, let me know what you think, and check out my deboned chicken if you haven't seen that video yet. Check out my deboned chicken video and tell me what you think. So this is our chicken, this is our finished product. So we're gonna just see how it looks nice and brown and crispy. So that's when you baste it for a while, put it back in for another 10 at 350, and then this is what it comes out. Just remove the cord, make sure you remove the cord. You don't want to eat the cord or want to swallow it, or you don't want to feed it to your guest. So make sure you remove the cord, and that's your whole chicken stuffed. You cut it right down, and it's just a beautiful thing. Crazy Creative Kitchen. Stuffed chicken with cabbage. Thanks for watching.